state bond. So, according to Zimbabwe National Army, are you going, Honorable Muchena, from Mashona West? Can you fully expagorate how can we best care ourselves in terms of displaying fuel shortages? I was fighting. I did fight from a personality from Mount Darren constituency. That guy is my friend. He taught me about my China. I'm really giving a deviation, whereas if you have to plead your innocence as a member of the Mashonaland East
blood.
Don't worry about me. I'm very happy about you. I have my money here. Tadio, enda kumba. Whereas if I want you to clearly investigate the cases, whereas if this is my friend, can you give him a torch?
This is my torch.
Okay. So Silverstone is a company which is being destroyed by Clinton Chafudzika. Clinton Chafudzika is trying to destroy Minox. Since Minox is my first capital brother, Minox we will never have this money today. Definitely, can you point to this? And from New York right now, we have Machokolins, 18 degrees. Who wants me to evicted from this premises? And I also clearly state that as a chairman, I have new instances without Machokolins and his people, because they are of National Patriotic Front. I have been having meetings with the political commissars meetings membership at ZANU-PF, whereas if JGB is also a predator of myself, because we are a bit related. Another factor is Madminos, his company is within my hands, since I have a tattoo of Silverstone. So Machokolins want to destroy this company because he was fully invested by King Gadza whilst he is doing his Pacific actions. I also reiterate that Machokolins is wearing a new era, new camp, which I have to under it, since I am a political commissar of this Mbaretu. But Minox and his protocols, they must be very clearly investigated, since they've lived this company, Silverstone company, which I have 25% share or hold to Minox. So what I simply mean is Machokolins must be removed from the directorship of Silverstone company, and I'm very prepared, since I'm a veteran. I also have artillery. I also have artillery. Let me show you, my friend. You're simply a kid to me. I can take this phone and kill you. I am telling you the truth. This is information from Zimbabwe National Army, and we are not afraid of Silverstone as a ZANU-PF chairman of Second Avenue. I have to clearly reiterate another fact, that Zimbabwe is for Zimbabweans, and MDC Alliance and ZANU-PF, they are portraying that future obligation within Zimbabwe and SADC as a whole. I also have to thank John Shaw, who is a paramedic personality and Mark Chocolins with his 10 A levels. I have to also clearly state that my Chocolins must be stayed, since I can even take this cell phone into my pocket, showing that I am from Manicaland province, where there is 32 FN pistols per excellency.
Yo man.
I'm drinking vodka.
So what do you have to say about JGB?
I have to go pro you. This is a very inferior friend of myself that is called Tapiwa Muchen. We have been together since 1993, and he is one of my intelligence central committee because he comes from Chitungwiza MDC Alliance.
Oh, Jobska.
Whereas if Paul Mangwana was made, first capital information came into his pockets since he trained you as Silverstone Sound Station Legalization Audit.
Mavokwa makushandisa.
My Chocolins is firing me against every protocol, but I am very reiterating this protocol since my brother, my half father is Garai Chapudzika, and this is a youngster of me, and at any instance I'm married to one of the people here, I can grab his phone and take it away, since I have mine and this cash that I have. I am a Zimbabwe National Army intelligence officer. I have my phone here. Whereas if you look at my mouth, I have problems with love. But this phone and my cash can take me into any way. Since I know Cuba Gunta as a protocol observation of SADC, Troika Information Services. And this is a thank you to whereas if you are, be it you are in 5th Avenue, Harare Street,
abroad.
Be it if you are in 2nd Avenue,
America.
24 2nd Avenue, where is my office? Because I also own Goldstone and Silverstone myself, since I have 1 or 2 million US dollars in my account. This guy is my friend who is giving me this broadcasting information.
Vodka.
Yes, it's vodka, and I'm looking at you all guys.
No vodka rineswa mchigubu icho chichi. Hakuna vodka rakadai so.
Ko mari. Motaura nyaya yemari.
Mari yako iyi haitenge chinhu. Unotenga malofu mangani chingwe?
Ko dhora unotenga nemari? Dhora unotenga nemari machokuti ndisanda kutsara kana foni.
Dhora chi?
Dhora US.
Dhora US uri kubhadharwa mari yakanaka kuti mari yao nayo.
Ndati ndokwanisa here kutsara kana foni.
Foni yangu haitsarike.
Alright. Chidziva. Unipewo dhora.
Dhora ndine.